Connect the tap water inlet pipe to the pressure station inlet. Find the shortest high-pressure hose. Remove the blockage of the high-pressure hose. Put on the sealing gasket. Install the high-pressure hose onto the pressure outlet. The other end of the high-pressure hose. Connect to the pressure inlet of the hydrostatic main engine. Select one at random from the remaining high-pressure hoses. Connect one end to the water outlet of the hydrostatic hose machine's workstation 1. Remove the decorative panel. Next, connect the other end of the high-pressure hose. Connect to the water outlet of workstation 1 of the water tank. Connect to the water inlet of the hydrostatic main engine at workstation 1. The other end is connected to the water inlet of station 1 in the water tank. And so on. Continue to connect the high-pressure hoses at workstations 2 and 3. Install the decorative panel. Wrap the thread seal tape directly around the external thread. Install the connector to the water replenishment solenoid valve interface. Install another connector onto the water outlet of the water tank's refrigeration system. Connect the tap water pipe to the water replenishment port. Tighten the fastening screw of the hose clamp. Remove the lock nut at the water inlet of the chiller. Put the lock nut and sealing rubber ring on the connector. Install the connector onto the water inlet of the chiller. Tighten the lock nut. Connect one end of the refrigeration tube to the water inlet of the refrigerator. Tighten the lock nut. Connect the other end to the refrigeration water outlet of the water tank. Tighten the lock nut. Remove the lock nut from the water outlet of the chiller. Insert the connecting pipe into the water outlet of the refrigerator. Tighten the lock nut. One end of the refrigeration return pipe connect to the water outlet of the refrigerator. Tighten the lock nut. Connect the other end to the refrigeration return water inlet of the water tank. Tighten the lock nut. Place the pressure relief pipe of the hydrostatic engine into the sewer or water storage tank. Remove the decorative cover plate. Remove the power cord from the water tank. Install the decorative panel. Connect the power cord of the water tank to an air switch that meets the usage requirements. Connect the power cord of the pressure station to an air switch that meets the usage requirements. Plug the power plug of the refrigerator into the power outlet. Install the power plug of the hydrostatic main engine. Plug the other end into the power outlet. Connect one end of the communication cable to the communication port of the hydrostatic main unit. The other end is connected to the communication port of the water tank. Turn on the power switch of the water tank. Open the lid of the water tank. Turn on the water replenishment switch. The water replenishment solenoid valve is open. Start filling the water tank. When the water level is about to exceed the lower limit, turn off the water replenishment switch. Set the test temperature. Activate water circulation. After confirming the entry into the water circulation state, start heating. If the initial temperature of the water tank is when it is higher than the test temperature, refrigeration is required. Open the ball valve switch at the water outlet of the water tank for refrigeration. Set constant temperature. After reaching the temperature requirement, double-click to open the hydrostatic test software. Click on the communication icon. Click to enter station 1. Input the outer diameter of the sample. Input the length of the sample. Input the wall thickness of the sample. Input hoop stress. Click to calculate. The system automatically calculates the test pressure per processing time. If you want to quickly achieve the boost operation, the preprocessing time can be set to 0. Read the temperature of the water tank. Transmit test parameters. Turn on the power switch of the pressure station. Turn on the emergency stop switch of the pressure station. Set work pressure. Click SET. Click the left arrow to move the decimal point. Click the down arrow to modify the value. Click SET. The set work pressure should be greater than the maximum test pressure is to MPa. Press the start switch. The pressure station rapidly increases the pressure to the set pressure. Remove the fastening screws of the fixture. Remove the clamping block, pressure ring, sealing ring. First, place the pressure ring on one end of the sample. Put on the sealing ring again. Then insert the sample into the elliptical end. Compress the sealing ring. Installation clamping block. Install the fastening screws and tighten them. Install another fixture according to the previous operation. Installation chain. Open the exhaust valve. One end of the high-pressure water line. Install it onto the quick connector at the first workstation of the water tank. The other end is installed onto the quick connector of the fixture. Direct the exhaust port towards the inside of the water tank. Click to start the experiment. The pressure compensating solenoid valve is open. Inject water into the sample and expel the air inside the sample when there is continuous water flowing out. Click to stop the experiment. Tighten the exhaust valve. Use the hook to hang the sample on the crossbeam. Immerse the entire sample in water. Click to start the experiment. After the constant pressure time is over, the system automatically releases pressure. Click on General Parameters to make modifications. Click to save the test record. Open History. Open the test record. Point Query. Select the test record to view. Click to open. Click to print. Click OK. Input file name. Select Save Path. Save. The system automatically opens the test report. You can also open the test report in the Save Path after exiting the software. This is the complete experimental operation process.